Hi everyone, welcome to the Gossip Affair. So today we will talk about Janhvi Kapoor in Lakme Fashion Week. जी हाँ, अभी हाल ही में जानवी कपूर लैक्मे फैशन वीक में मॉडलिंग करती हुई नज़र आई डिज़ाइनर राहुल मिश्रा के लिए एंड शी वॉज द शो स्टॉपर फॉर राहुल मिश्रा. सो जानवी की अगर बात करें तो शी हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन इन लाइमलाइट बिकॉज शी इज़ द एल्डर डॉटर ऑफ बोनी कपूर एंड लेट एक्ट्रेस श्रीदेवी जी. मैं बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करती हूँ श्रीदेवी की बिकॉज ऑफ हर एक्टिंग स्किल्स एंड ऑल्सो शी वॉज अ ग्रेट एक्ट्रेस. सो कमिंग बैक टू जानवी, ये अटेंशन टेनफोल्ड हो गया आफ्टर हर डेब्यू मूवी धड़क. हालांकि जानवी गॉट बैक टू बैक good movies and roles because she was a nepo kid and without any skills she is still surviving in the industry क्योंकि डैडी जौहर का साथ है. But यहाँ पर we are not talking about her Bollywood career. We will talk about her recent stint as a showstopper at लैक्मे फैशन वीक. तो यहाँ पर जैसे ही जानवी की एंट्री होती है उन्होंने लॉन्ग ब्लैक कोट पहना हुआ था जिसे बहुत ही ड्रामेटिक तरीके से उन्होंने रिमूव कर दिया रैंप पर आने के बाद एंड उन्होंने पहनी हुई थी स्लीवलेस बांधनी ड्रेस विद अ हाई थाई स्लिट कट. एक तो मुझे ये जो बांधनी से डिज़ाइनर्स का ऑब्सेशन है वो समझ नहीं आता. बांधनी सपोज टू बी ट्रेडिशनल, ऐसे कभी भी कहीं भी उसको वेयर नहीं कर सकते आप. एंड बीइंग अ मारवाड़ी आई नो कि बांधनी की क्या वैल्यू है हमारे कल्चर में. खैर जाने दो. तो ये बात करते हैं जानवी की. शी वॉज गॉर्जियस, या शी वॉज लुकिंग गॉर्जियस. मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि वो ख़राब लग रही थी बट द होल पर्पस ऑफ फैशन शो एंड मॉडल प्लेइंग लो की विथ no expression is that people notice the designer's outfit and not you. But this just seems like her show and pretty disrespectful to designer, honestly. The dress was looking horrendous on her. The fitting was ill and something was very wrong with the dress. But अगर ये ड्रेस किसी प्रोफेशनल मॉडल ने कैरी किया होता तो शायद लुक अच्छा आता. Because the way Janvi was walking on the ramp, it was very unprofessional. It was looking like that she is just bouncing on the ramp. See, I'm not a fashion expert, neither I'm trying to be the one. But ये जो dress था was horrendous. And what about those heels? Are we still in 2015? No, one thing I don't understand is when it comes to ramp walk, these people have to either overdo it or they just snooze fast. Why can't they try and learn something? I mean, इतना difficult है क्या किसी चीज़ को सीखना, या बस because you are privileged enough तो कर लो कुछ भी. And please, for God's sake, enough with this open mouth throat expressions. I'm sure she tried to copying Yasmin's recent walk. तो जो लोग ये नहीं जानते तो उनको बता दूँ, यास्मिन जो है एक डच फैशन मॉडल है फ्रॉम नीदरलैंड्स एंड शी इज़ फेमस फॉर हर कॉन्फिडेंट रैम्प वॉक. सो शी जस्ट ट्राइड टू कॉपी जैस्मिन but ended up looking rubbish. They need to understand they are walking on ramp as a model, and as a model their job is to showcase the designer's art, highlight the clothing accessories and put forward the statement the designers is aiming for. It's not for making it about yourself. पहले फैशन वर्ल्ड में डेडिकेटेड मॉडल्स होती थी जो ड्रेसेस को शोकेस करती थी बिकॉज फॉर डिज़ाइनर्स देयर वर्क इज़ देयर आर्ट. और जो मॉडल्स सेलेक्ट की जाती थी they were selected on their body, height, personality, and they were trained in such a way that people should not take away the eyes from the dress. मॉडल्स के जो फेस एक्सप्रेशन होते थे वो भी इमोशनलेस होते थे सो दैट उनकी स्माइल और एक्सप्रेशंस की वजह से देखने वालों का ध्यान ना हटे ड्रेस से. बट नाउ आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई दिस डिज़ाइनर्स आर कॉलिंग दिस सेलिब्रिटीज़ हु आर बेटर फॉर नथिंग. They are not able to do their work properly. They have zero talent and knowledge of ramp walk. I feel bad for models who put their soul and heart to their career and to become a model, and then these Bollywood celebrities just take their chances. Please bring some professionalism on the table. And अगर बात करें particularly इस शो की तो nothing was in favor of Janvi here. Dress was too tight, hair was too Bollywood style. walk was too overconfident, or either I would say it was looking too sensual. यहाँ पर you are not here to seduce anyone, you are here to present a work and art. And I don't know why these designers bring in these people to walk. It's doing nothing to these clothes. It's just giving their show engagement online, but not really their clothes. It's just so disappointing to see how Indian fashion prioritizes celebrities over actual models. I really wish they left this to the professional models only. I don't know. I found her walk. It was just so awkward. It was looking like she was struggling to control her body. And whereas if we talk about other actresses like Kangana, she is superb and a total natural. And if you have seen the movie Fashion, she was amazing on the ramp, and for that matter Priyanka as well. And अगर आप देखेंगे कंगना के जो भी फैशन वॉक्स है, after that feels so effortless and real. And it's unlike Janvi, who comes off so artificial no matter how perfect she's dressed or looks. She has no impact whether in movies or off-screen appearances. She doesn't resonate with a typical audience and lacks, any noticeable presence. So it is not just embarrassing to watch, but insulting bhi hai for other models. Like if you notice the model behind her, she was looking amazing with her expressions and body language. अब उसने कितना मेहनत किया होगा यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए, and what she got in the end is to walk behind someone like Janvi. I mean, those models have to be perfect and top of their game to be selected by such big designers for such shows. I don't know why Bollywood actors and actresses got all the opportunities without any experience. See, I understand that because of this celebrity show को engagement and reach मिल रही है, but if you put right efforts in right direction, तो वो वैसे भी मिलेगी. I mean, hire professional models for that work. I just don't know why these Bollywood actresses are getting all those opportunities without any modeling experience. They are just walking on the ramp, and they are just so bad at ramp walk, and no one can even focus on the clothes they are wearing, which is what the show is all about. Also, कई लोगों ने notice किया that a tag was seen from her dress, and people are commenting on that, stating that she was wearing butt pad and blah blah things. One user even wrote that she is wearing butt pad even after the surgery, and these guys promote body positivity. But I don't think it was a part of butt pad but a tag from the dress. And जहाँ पर जानवी बहुत ट्रोल हो रही है for her walk on the internet, there are people who came in support her as well. Like people are writing that here it's not Janvi's fault because her job was to attract more audience to the show and not to walk on the ramp. Another user wrote, अगर जानवी वॉक नहीं करती तो ये ड्रेस एंड रैम्प वॉक कोई नहीं देखता. सो नेगेटिव पब्लिसिटी इज़ ऑल्सो अ पब्लिसिटी. आपके क्या व्यूज़ है इस पर मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना, एंड वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.